Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect PagePilot to Shopify. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and log into your account. Once you are logged in, click on Apps from the left menu. A pop-up window will appear. Click on the search bar, type PagePilot, and select from the search results. On the next page, click the Install button to add the app to your Shopify store. If Shopify asks for confirmation, approve the installation. After the app is installed, you may see a setup guide. If it appears, simply skip it to continue. You will now be taken to the PagePilot homepage. Here the app may ask you to enable its extension in your store theme before you can use all of its features. Click the option to enable the extension. This will open the Shopify theme editor. Turn on the PagePilot extension, then click Save in the top right corner. After saving the changes, go back to the PagePilot app and refresh the page. Once the page reloads, the connection will be complete. Now you will be able to create a product page, publish it directly to your Shopify store, create AI-generated product images, and create product bundles without leaving the app. That is how you can connect PagePilot to Shopify. Thanks for watching.